Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today I am doing a flip cup and I'm basically going to stretch it out back and forth, leaving some negative space at the top and the bottom of the canvas. I've got a really nice deep phthalo green as the base coat, and then I'm going to just dirty cup a couple of cups of paint, flip them out, tilt them out, and let it go from there. So let's get down on the canvas, get started. Be right back. All right, everyone. So I am repurposing a 15 by 30 deep edge gallery wrap canvas, and I'm working with a really deep green base since this was already painted with the green. And I've got some really nice colors. So I'm going to be using a base coat, and this is phthalo green. So this is what I'm going to flood the entire canvas with. And then I've got some titanium white. I've got some Loft metallic blue. I've got some creative inspirations in sky blue. I've got some, I love this color, and everybody hates it. I am using Reflex green from Amsterdam. Gonna go with some 24 karat gold. And then I've got some, this is Ultramarine blue from Arteza. Love this one as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be doing 2 dirty flip cups. And what I wanna do is leave the negative spaces up on the ends and just have the paint in the center. So what I'm gonna do is probably flip 2 cups. These are 16-ounce cups. And so I'm only gonna fill them up about halfway because I'm not gonna need a lot of paint. All right, so let's get to filling up the cups. I think what I'm gonna do the dirty cup for, I'm gonna use the base coat of the green, the phthalo. And we'll pour the paints into that. So the first color I'm gonna go with is that ultramarine blue. Dirty cup. And only need to use each color once. So we got the blue. Let's come in with the Reflex green. Come in with the sky blue. Gold, and the metallic blue. For extra measure, we'll do that. Just touch of white. There we go. All I need to do is I need to put some of my base coat along the edges here. I'll do is I think I'm gonna pour the paint right here in the center. Okay. So my first cup's gonna go here, and second cup is gonna go right next to it. now we're just gonna start tilting. Okay, clearly I had way too much paint. I tilted it off. I will take all of this paint that's on my table, scrape it off, and reuse it for a base coat or a flow extender, but you get to see the ultramarine blue, you see the reflex green, you see hints of the sky blue with the white and the main base coat of the phthalo green, and you got traces of the gold. So I kept negative space up in the top and the corners, really cool. yeah, I used way too much paint. I should have never filled up those cups like that, but I kind of got carried away, and then I thought I'll just keep going with it. So it's only paint. I can tilt it off. Like I said, I'll scrape everything off of this and reuse it. So I'm happy where we are. I'm going to torch. Okay, here we are with the wet results. So this green is going to dry real dark, and that's what I was kind of going for. So here we are with the close-up. We'll see how this dries. Okay guys, that's it. So this is the painting here. I love this color scheme with the deep phthalo green background. Note to self, used way too much paint. Did not need all of this paint. I was able to scrape enough paint off of this canvas, off of my table, to create a whole another painting as the base coat. So that's what I'm going to do. I love this color scheme. I like the greens mixed in with the gold, and the white really came in. It really gave a good balance. So get some Liquitex gloss varnish up on this, and we'll put it up on the website. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget Fluid Art Experience, April 16th through the 19th. Head over to the Fluid Art Experience website and book your classes now. Teaching 4 classes. All right, everyone. See you next time. Have a great rest of your week. See you Sunday. Bye-bye.